How to add font in Figma. So let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is just head over to your figma.com official website on your any of your favorite browser, and once inside here finally click on this Windows installer if you are using Windows and Mac if you are using Mac. So once it gets installed, simply click on this open button to simply open the application and run it as in quickly to install the application just like this. So next thing what you need to do is just searching for non-copyright font, and you should simply download any one of these from over here. And once you successfully download it, just extract the application under the new folder. So let me just quickly rename it to something like this and simply extract the folder from over here just like this. So you just have to locate your directory. I will just select this folder and simply extract it on this folder. So now all you've got to do is just install this font on your computer. So once you do all of that, just open up your Figma application, and now all you've got to do is simply type in the font which you just downloaded and installed, and just like that you've successfully added it over here. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.